Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start building for the Beaver Cup Build Challenge and Heartopia game latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, you need to have your own team. You can create your own team and become the leader, or you can join your friend's team. And after you have a team and unlock the Beaver Cup Build Challenge, you can go to the Build Challenge island to start building. You will see this item guys, and you're going to click on this menu. Okay, then you're going to enter the Build Challenge island. Or actually, you can click on this menu and select enter. It will bring you to the same Build Challenge island. Okay, and in the island, on the island, you can start building. You can use your own material or your friend's material. Okay, and I'm going to go to this mode to start building. Okay, wait, it's still loading guys. And building something will increase the build rating. Okay, here I'm just going to add an item. I'm gonna use set. Let's open the set. Oh wait, I'm gonna use that because it's faster guys. I'm gonna use this one, Floral Whisper. Actually, I don't own this item, but my friends own this, so I can use it. Okay, just like this. And I'm going to close it guys, and let's see the build rating. Yeah, basically you just need to go to the Build Challenge island to start building. Work with your friend to increase your score. Okay, you can monitor your work here. Okay, I've just adjusted the layout of building material. Okay guys, and this is my build rating right now. I've just increased my points. And yeah, that's how you can start building for the Beaver Cup Build Challenge and Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!